We're going to demonstrate how to wire a 2-wire start-stop to our Worldwide Electric GP drive, as well as a speed potentiometer. On our 2-wire start-stop, we'll be utilizing terminal P1 and our CM. For our speed potentiometer, we'll be utilizing terminal VR, V1, and our common. We have now wired to the terminals that we illustrated earlier, powered the unit on, and the home screen will come up 0.00. Now we must go in and program the unit to identify the speed pot and the start-stop 2-wire control. So we're going to start our programming. We're going to mash up to our acceleration. We're going to enter into our acceleration parameter. We're going to see this factory default at 5 seconds. We're going to change the 5-second default by moving our arrow keys over and down. We're going to change that to 3. We'll hit enter twice to save the parameter. We will hit the arrow up button to DEC for our deceleration. Hit enter to enter into the parameter. It is factory default at 10 seconds. We're going to change that to 5 seconds. Remember again, we must hit enter twice to save those parameters. We will hit the up button again to our DRU, which is where we get our run command. We're going to get a run command. So we have to program that to be able to see our start-stop button. We hit enter. It is set for 1 for terminal strip, and we need the terminal strip to be able to identify that. So we'll leave it at 1. Please see the operation manual if you're wanting to do it from the keypad or someone else. Hit enter twice to save our parameters. We're going to scroll up one more time to our FRQ parameter, which is our frequency source. We hit enter. It is set at 0 from the keypad. We're going to use a remote potentiometer, not the keypad, so we need to change that from a 0 to a 3. We hit enter twice to store that parameter. Now we must set our motor data. We will use our right arrow key, and we're going to scroll over to our H parameters. We're going to scroll up to H31, and when we get to H31, that is our motor poles. We're going to hit enter. It is set up at a 4-pole 1800 RPM unit. We scroll down and you can see we could do a 2-pole 3600 RPM motor, or we scroll up and we can see 6-pole 1200 RPM. Our motor today is a 4-pole 1800, so we'll hit enter to save 4-pole 1800. We're going to scroll up to H33 is our next parameter, which is our FLA. This unit is factory default at 1.8. Our motor today is 0.6 horsepower, so we'll use our arrow keys to make our selection to 0.6, hitting the enter button twice to save that, and now we're good. Now we're going to scroll right with our right arrow again back to our home screen, and now you can see we're at 6.82 on the screen. That is actually what our speed pot is reading right now. As you see, we turn the speed pot up. We will see our hertz climbing all the way there to 60, and we can come back down the other way, and we'll see our hertz coming back the other way. Now we're going to leave it at 35 hertz. We're going to start our motor now by pressing our start button, and now you will see our motor will accelerate to 35.8 amp hertz over the time in which we set. We will move our speed pot so we can illustrate the motor going up and down in speed. We hope you find this video helpful. Please visit us at our website at worldwideelectric.net, or for any tech support, please call us at 844-WWE-SERV.